Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another college day in my life. I'm literally so mad because as I was coming to my car, I was carrying so much because as you guys saw, I just had my coffee. I had like my little camera bag in my hand. I had my phone in my hand and I dropped my phone. And I just got this phone. But I mean, I have the glass screen protector and I have obviously a case. And everything's fine. Like the camera is fine. The screen protector did crack a little bit, like on the top. It shattered a little bit. Not really shattered, but like the tiniest little like thing right there. So it's okay, thankfully. Now I know not to freaking carry like 100 things in my hand at once, especially with my phone in my hand. Because the thing is, I thought I dropped like my camera bag. I don't know, I knew something was falling. But yeah, so now I'm like, I want to get a new screen protector already. Because like, my hand is like shaking. But the phone itself is fine. I can easily get another like screen protector. It's not that big of a deal. But yeah, I'm so upset. But now I have to go to school. I got my Starbucks to go mug that you guys would have seen. It's like dirty on the side. It like dripped. But yeah, I need to head to school now. I have 3 classes today. It's Monday. I have my interview strategies class, which I had my midterm on Thursday, so we're gonna get to know like our grade, everything today. Then I have social psych, and then I have forensics lecture. Like that's our lecture, but we have our midterm exam today at 5:30. So I have like a huge break. I'm gonna come home afterwards, have lunch and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this college day in my life and have been enjoying my vlogs recently. So I'm going to head to school now. I'm also gonna show you my outfit really quickly. I'm wearing this like crew neck from H&M. I think, yeah, H&M, and then this, all the trucks want to pass by now. This red, like, fuzzy little jacket from Fabletics. Actually, I'll try to link it down below. And then I'm just wearing jeans from H&M and my red checkered Vans. You guys will see fully later probably, but I'm gonna head to school now. And I will see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, I just got back to school. I went home as you guys saw and I had lunch, and then I had like some stuff to do. I needed to drop off something for my mom, just like quick little like errands. It was like really fast, and I'm actually back to school right now. It's 3:30 and I have my forensics exam today that I've been studying for, and guess who left the study guide packet at home? I meant to put it in my folder, but I've been taking it with me to work, so I haven't had it in like my folder. Well, I haven't had it in my folder, my bag, nothing, and so I left it at home. But it's fine because I have the study guide like on my computer, like before I printed it, obviously, like on the document. So I'll just look over that before the exam. And I also need to meet with my advisor because in a couple weeks is registration for the spring semester classes already, which is insane. Like I feel like I was just picking out these classes for the fall, but we still have a couple more weeks. It's in November before like Thanksgiving break registration. So I'm gonna go meet with my advisor. Hopefully it's not too busy. I wanted to do it before my exam and I got here a little bit early. I'm gonna go meet with her and basically we just decide, well, she helps me decide what classes I should get out of the way and take and like get all my credits together. And we just look at like our degree audit, which says what we need obviously to take before we graduate. So I'm gonna go and do that, and then I'll just study and relax before my exam today and show you guys my little study guide. I mean, I wish I showed you guys my packet. I did show you guys though in my last vlog, I believe, but I'm like so upset that I left it at home. But let's go inside. It got hotter outside. That's why I don't understand this weather. I literally had that red puffy jacket and now it's 70 degrees outside and I'm like so hot, but it's fine. Like that's how people get sick. Alright guys, it is much later now. I'm obviously home. I'm gonna like lift these up because they're gonna bother me with like the reflection. They're just my blue light glasses from Amazon that I've talked about before. But it's much later. I am all showered. I'm all changed into my comfy PJs. And I just made myself some lemon ginger tea. Today I had my forensics exam, which you guys saw me studying for, and I think it went really well. I finished really fast, and I still like checked over it and stuff, and pretty confident about it. I studied a lot, and it was just really straightforward, no like trickiness really. Oh, also from my interview class, we were able to see our test score in person. I didn't show you guys because we had to give it right back, but I got a 92, which is considered like an A-. And also in college, well from my college at least, there's no A+, it just goes to A. So I technically got an A- on the exam, but he took our midterm grade in general from like everything we've done, including participation and attendance, which I've never missed, and I'm like active participant for the most part. So I got an A as my midterm grade, and yeah, and I told you guys already for my essay, I also got an A. So I'm waiting for her to post from today, and also my speech class, like overall, we didn't really have like a midterm speech. We just have had 2 speeches so far, and I got an A on both, so I should have an A for my whole midterm grade. And then my last one that I need to worry about is social psychology. So I'm actually going to show you guys what I'm going to do to start studying. I haven't started the study guide because I didn't want to like lose memorization for my other one that I took today. And I have my exam next Monday, so I'm going to start studying. Well, I'm going to start filling out the study guide, try to get as much done right now. I'm going to try to get a lot done tomorrow and hopefully be done by tomorrow, because it shouldn't take me that long if I really like focus and work hard. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do. Alright guys, so for my psych exam, he put together a study guide just like he did for our first one. This one's not as long, I feel like, so it shouldn't take me that long. And then what I like to do is I actually type my psych notes just because he talks really fast through the slides, and I'm faster by just typing it out. Usually I like to handwrite, but as you can see, some of it is like a little bit messy, or like I misspelled words because I'm literally typing so fast, and he just continues. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to go look at the question, find it in my notes. Sometimes I can just copy and paste it, or I like to like rewrite it a little bit, obviously to make it more neat and in my own words, to just make me retain the information better. So this is what I'm going to do right now while I have my tea. Alright guys, I'm going to be done for tonight because I want to edit this video and get it up for you guys for tomorrow. So I finished chapter 11 because chapter 11 was like the longer one out of the rest. Wait, why is this such a big gap? So I just finished this one, and then I separated like each chapter after that. So chapter 12 will now start on this page, and so I'll work on the rest of the chapters. There's just 3 more. I'll work on it tomorrow. Alright guys, that is it for today's College Day in My Life. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.